How to create avatar on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an avatar on Snapchat. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So let us go to Snapchat, and then here what you need to do is that you have to click on this profile icon in the top right corner, top left corner, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here you have to click on create my avatar option on the top. Simply click on it, and then here you have to just click on the male option. If you're a male, if you're female, go to female and click on continue. And then here guys, just you can select some outfit or you can edit. So after clicking the picture, you just need to click on select outfit, and here you can just select some outfits and also earrings. Whatever you would like to change, you can just change it. You can see there are lots of modifications. You can see here you can give a head also. For example, now it's Christmas, so let me just give up for Christmas cap. And we have a lot of things. You can let me just go for this dress right now because it's a festive season. So now click on save option. It's up to you what type of outfit you want to give. And then now here you can see I have successfully created a avatar on my Snapchat. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.